You're looking at minivans because you need space, but what if the one you choose costs you $1,000 more every year just in wasted gas? Most families overlook how quickly fuel costs add up over ownership, especially when competitors barely break 22 MPG combined. The 2026 Toyota Sienna flips that equation completely with hybrid efficiency that actually changes your monthly budget. Welcome to AeroNext Auto. Today, we're breaking down why the 2026 Toyota Sienna has become the efficiency leader in the minivan segment, and whether its hybrid-only approach delivers the real-world savings families need. Let's examine what sets this family hauler apart, and who should seriously consider it. The 2026 Toyota Sienna carries forward its bold, contemporary design that distances itself from traditional minivan styling. The front fascia features sharp LED headlights and a wide grille that gives it presence on the road. Clean body lines flow from front to rear, creating a sleek profile that looks more crossover than utility van. Available 20-inch wheels on higher trims add visual impact. The design intentionally avoids the boxy aesthetic of older minivans, instead offering families something they won't feel embarrassed to park in the driveway. It's a thoughtful evolution that acknowledges minivans can look modern. Step inside and you'll find a cabin designed around family logistics. All three rows offer genuine adult-size space, with the signature super long slide second-row captain's chairs that telescope far enough to create a first-class experience. 3-inch touchscreen running Toyota's audio multimedia system. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard. 7 USB ports spread across all three rows keep devices charged during road trips. The materials feel premium for the segment, with available leather trim in higher models. Storage solutions are everywhere, from the large center console to clever cubbies designed for family chaos. On limited and platinum trims, you'll find genuinely unique features like an integrated vacuum and a fridge box cooler between the front seats. These aren't gimmicks, they're practical solutions for families managing snacks, spills, and everyday mess. 5.5-liter 4-cylinder hybrid powertrain paired with 2 electric motors, delivering a combined 245 horsepower. Front-wheel drive is standard, with an electronic on-demand all-wheel drive system available that uses a third independent rear motor for added traction. The system adds minimal weight and only drops fuel economy by 1 MPG. The hybrid transitions seamlessly between electric and gas power, often allowing electric-only operation at low speeds. 5 seconds. But here's what matters. The 2026 Toyota Sienna achieves an EPA-estimated 36 MPG city and 36 MPG highway with front-wheel drive, or 35 MPG combined with all-wheel drive.
That's not just good for a minivan, it's nearly double what competitors like the Honda Odyssey or Kia Carnival deliver with their V6 engines. Real-world tests confirm these numbers hold up, with some owners reporting even better highway efficiency. 3 drive modes let you prioritize economy, normal operation, or a slightly sportier response. The continuously variable transmission keeps everything smooth and predictable. The 2026 Toyota Sienna integrates technology that makes family life easier. Voice-activated controls, over-the-air software updates, and wireless device charging all come standard on most trims. 6-inch display keeps passengers occupied on longer drives. The Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 comes standard across all models, including adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go capability, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection, and blind spot monitoring. The available panoramic view monitor uses 4 cameras to create a virtual top-down view, making parking lot navigation significantly less stressful. A rear seat reminder system alerts you to check the back rows after parking, adding peace of mind for families with young children. The 2026 Toyota Sienna includes standard rear cross traffic alert and front and rear parking assist with automatic braking on most trims. The body structure incorporates high-strength steel in critical areas. 10 standard airbags provide comprehensive coverage. The NHTSA awarded the Sienna a 5-star overall safety rating, with strong performance across most crash categories. In the U.S. market, the 2026 Toyota Sienna starts at $40,120 for the base LE with front-wheel drive. That's competitive entry pricing, especially considering the LE now includes an 8-speaker audio system, power rear door, rear window shades, and other features that were previously optional. In Canada, pricing typically starts around Canadian $49,000, reflecting similar market positioning. The XLE trim adds comfort and convenience for about $44,800, while the Sporty XSE with its 12-speaker JBL audio system approaches $48,000. Limited and platinum trims range from the low $50,000 to around $57,500, justified by premium leather seating, advanced features like the vacuum and fridge box, and comprehensive technology packages. Adding all-wheel drive costs approximately $1,000 across the lineup, which feels reasonable for year-round capability. Here's the ownership calculation that matters. At current fuel prices, the Sienna's efficiency advantage saves families roughly $1,000 annually compared to V6 competitors. Over a typical 5-year ownership period, that's $5,000 back in your pocket, effectively paying for multiple trim upgrades or the all-wheel drive system. The 2026 Toyota Sienna makes sense for families prioritizing long-term value and efficiency without sacrificing space or capability. If you regularly drive in varied weather conditions, the available all-wheel drive adds genuine peace of mind.
Skip this if you need maximum cargo flexibility with removable second-row seats, or if you prefer the peppier acceleration of a traditional V6. The Sienna's strength lies in its ability to reduce your ongoing costs while delivering Toyota's proven hybrid reliability. At AeroNext Auto, we break down the vehicles that matter to you, focusing on real ownership experiences rather than just spec sheets. If this breakdown helped you understand the Sienna better, hit that like button and subscribe for honest automotive analysis. Your support helps us keep delivering content that cuts through the noise.